Assalamu alaikum. I am Asif Kamal, your English teacher. I hope my voice will find you in best of health and wealth. Our today's lecture is on imperative, direct, indirect. First of all, I would like to tell you something about imperative sentences. What kind of sentences these are? Imperative are those sentences which express commands, requests, or interrogatories as be quiet, have mercy upon us. So these are the two examples which I have quoted for imperative sentences. Here, a table of functions of imperative sentences is given. Look at the first function. Imperative to use giving a direct order, command. Then imperative to use giving a warning, prohibition. Imperative to use giving a advice. Imperative to use giving a instruction. Imperative to use as a request. ठीक है, मीन एज अ रिक्वेस्ट भी हम इन्हें यूज़ करते हैं. सो दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स. कमांड, ऑर्डर और डायरेक्ट के लिए लाइक वेक अप नाउ, for warning and prohibition, watch out, don't touch me. Imperative to use giving advice, don't be panic, don't eat too much. For giving instruction, go straight ahead, then turn left, take the pill after a meal. For a request, please don't go, please reconsider, let me alone please. So these are the example and functions of imperative sentences. So these are the rules that we follow while changing direct sentence into indirect. First of all, change the said to into ordered, requested, suggested, or forbid. So these all words depends upon the nature of the sentence. What kind of sentence is given to us? Then conjunction to is used to replace comma and inverted comma. Here we use to remove comma and inverted commas. To is followed by verb and then tense and pronoun change according to the rules mentioned previously. कि पहले जो आप लोगों को रूल्स बता दिए प्रीवियसली, इनके पिछले लेक्चर्स में भी आप लोगों को बता दिए ये रूल्स, तो उन्हीं के अकॉर्डिंग हम चेंज ऑफ टेंस और चेंज ऑफ प्रोनाउन कर दें. So here are the some examples. Look at the first one. The master said to the servant, bring a new floor today. Indirect of this sentence. The master ordered the servant to bring him a new floor that day. Then the doctor said to the patient, eat fresh orange and don't sit in the sun. Direct. तो अब इसका indirect देखें. The doctor advised the patient to eat fresh orange and not to sit in the sun. Next direct sentence देखें. The beggar woman said to us, please buy me a meal. An indirect of this sentence. The beggar woman begged us to buy her a meal. Next sentence. The captain said, soldiers, don't attach the enemy until the rain stops. Sorry, attack वर्ड था वो, आई थिंक स्पेलिंग की मिस्टेक हो गई उसके अंदर. इनडायरेक्ट देखें. द कैप्टन commanded the soldiers not to attack the enemy until the rain stopped. Okay, here is another concept: use of let in imperative sentences. Let is used to make a proposal. In such a case, a reporting verb is changed into propose, suggest, and let is used into should. For example, she said to us, "Let us play hide and seek." An indirect of this sentence: she proposed to us that we should play hide and seek. Okay, ऊपर भी mention है कि verb change into propose and suggest, and then let is changed into should. Next sentence: Raju said to his friend, "Let us go out for a picnic." An indirect of this sentence: Raju proposed to his friend that they should go out for a picnic. So these are the examples that I have quoted for you people. Here is an exercise from your book, and you are supposed to do by your own. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.